Here's the case for the Galaxy S24 Plus by Tongate. Inside the box you will get everything necessary in order to clean the screen, remove the dust and do the installation of the new screen protector that is included inside the box. Here's the case for the Galaxy S24 Plus. This one is a very rugged case and it will protect your device in almost all the situations. After removing the case inside the belt clip hanger, you can see that the case comes with a camera protection on the back. For the installation of this case on your Galaxy S24 Plus, you need to remove the plastic that is inside the big case. This is a small plastic that will go around your device first. After you have the device on this small plastic, you need to install the device and the plastic inside the case. Just make sure that you start the installation of the device and the small plastic on the right side of the case. After that, you simply need to apply pressure to have your device fully seated inside the case. The belt clip is another layer of protection when the device screen is on the inside. On the back of the case, you have a very handy kickstand that is going to let your device sit in the portrait orientation or have the device lay down on landscape orientation. The case is well built in terms of protection. It will protect your device in almost all the situations, especially when you have the device inside the belt clip.